So we have received one application based HV testing. So they have given some steps to check and perform the test in our HV tester model TOS9303 model. So right now we are performing test in TOS9301. So they have a requirement like insulation value. They have a ramp up function for the 500 volt for 1 second and test for the 4 seconds and hold the 500 volt. During the 4 second it will hold the 500 volt. It will, once the test is completed, it will become a fall down and become the 0 voltage. Again in between the 2 seconds intervals, again it will start the HV testing and the ramp of the voltage, that is the 2100 voltage AC. It will rise up for the 1 second. It will hold the 2100 volt AC for testing, that is 1 second. Again it will be, once the test is completed, it will suddenly fall down the 0 voltage. Approximately the fall down voltage time is 0.1 seconds, that means 100 milliseconds. After that we escaping the part of the negative sections. So again they have mentions to check the insulation test, that is for 500 volt for 1 second, that is a rise time, or we can say the ramp of functions. Again test the voltage up to the 500 volt for 4 seconds. So 4 seconds it will hold continuously generate the 500 volt to the DOT, and that device is under test. It may be electronics products. Again it will fall down for the 0 voltage. Once the test is completed, it will fall down. So basically this is a 9303 model. So in this model we have 3 functions like ACW, DCW and IR. So there's a after that there's 2-3 models which having the LC models. So that model will be changed like a 9303 LC, all function with the LSC. So this is a ACW function. So in this model we have 3 functions like DCW, ACW and IR. So based on the customer application, so we are performing the test in the auto mode. So we need to press the auto mode file. So there's a pre-defined program number is mentioned, so you can program in any numbers for the 3 testings. So right now I am just selecting the 51s already selected. So we will go in the step sections. Okay, now here's the 3 step section which we have already fitted in this 3 different locations. So this is the first one, the IR section as per the customer requirement. So they have mentioned that the voltage will be 500 volt and upper values should be off, lower you can mention as per your requirements. So we are just fitting the 10 mega ohm. So if you having the more than resolution value, distance values, that you can fit it in this section. Judgment delay is just like a 0.1 second, that is default, so we cannot make it off condition. And this is a rise time. So this is function like rise time is this. So voltage will be rise off within the 1 second. So you can multiply the what is the voltage speed, we can check it during the testing. This is a test time. Once the voltage rise, it will test for 4 seconds and then it fall down, then again it will switch to ACW sections. So they have requirements to 2100 voltage AC, and then the leakage you can set it as per your requirements. So right now we have mentioned 5 milliampere, that is the upper value, and the product DOT leakage should not be more than this 5 milliampere, and lower it should be off. This is a rise time function as per the customer requirement, that is 1 second. Test time is 1 second. So this cycle is completed. So now they have all again mentioned the ACW section. So same things we have mentions in the IR sections. So 1 second rise time, 4 second for test time. This all three steps now is completed. So there's no ready indication. So once we make the execute, it will come ready indication and it will start it. It will show in the start mode. So this is in the ready indication. So now we have configured this instrument through the external control. So no need to press the start from the panel. So here is some wiring. So this is a temporary wiring, and these are configured in that back side, that is 27 pin connector that I will show. This is the 37 pin connector. So all thing input, output, status out, status in, all things can be wire off from this 37 pin connector. So this is we are making the simple wiring for testing purpose. So this is enable, basically enable. We need to give the enable command whenever we start through the remotely. So this is enable command, this is a start, and this is a common. So we make the common. Once we said when we sort the connector like common and enable, so it will be show in the remote mode, then only it will start from the remotely. So now I'm giving the pulse for few seconds from start to common or enable. So it will start as per this configurations. So first it will check for IR. This is the test time is completed, and the ACW is a rise time. The test time is completed. Again it will switch to the IR section. This is a rise time and test time. It is a whole 3 cycle is completed. So again if we give the start command, again this whole step will be restarted. So again I am giving the start command. So you can monitor rise time, fall time. This is a rise time, then test time. Now test is completed. So these are the process. So once this is a very less time, so I'm going to show in the one individual rise time function, so that it will show the easy how the test time is performed. So test time is making the 10 second, and the rise time is right now. Rise time I am making the 5 second enter. So here you can exactly monitor the rise time or test time functions. So this is a rise time function right now. Once the 5 cycle is completed, now is the test time is started. Here I think here you can also monitor the rise time or test time functions. This is rise. Now it is the test. Now it is completing the test. Thank you.